Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make delicious and easy lobster rolls right at home. We'll start by gathering our main ingredient, about 1½ pounds of cooked lobster meat. Then, we'll whip up a super simple, flavorful dressing. Next, we'll toast some classic split-top hot dog buns to perfection. Finally, we'll combine everything for a truly satisfying meal in just a few easy steps. First things first, let's prepare our star ingredient, the lobster. Make sure your lobster meat is already cooked and thoroughly chilled. You'll want to cut it into nice, bite-sized pieces, roughly 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. This size is perfect for a good bite. Also, gently pat the lobster dry with paper towels to remove any extra moisture. We're aiming for about 1½ pounds of meat, which is ideal for 4 to 6 generous rolls. Now, let's create that classic creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of your favorite good quality mayonnaise. Next, add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This really brightens up the flavor. Then, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of celery salt and a small pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Gently mix all these ingredients together until they are well combined and smooth. This simple dressing is the key to a perfect lobster roll. It's time for the grand finale. Assembly. Lightly butter the sides of 4 to 6 split-top hot dog buns. Toast them in a pan over medium heat for about 2 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown. Once toasted, gently fold your prepared lobster mixture into each warm bun. Serve these delightful lobster rolls immediately with a side of crispy potato chips or a fresh coleslaw for a truly satisfying and easy meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.